welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also build a lead tracking sheet where all the lead details will be added automatically without any manual intervention. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for LinkedIn and select it. For the event, we have to select it as lead notifications and click on this connect. Once we click on this connect, over here it is asking me to select an existing connection or add a new connection. So if you have already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. Once you click on this connect with LinkedIn, over here it is going to ask you to log in your LinkedIn account. So enter the account credentials and click on this sign in. Once you click on this sign in, your LinkedIn account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the sponsored account, so it is saying no options found. So over here, if you want to view this option, click on this refresh fields and the options will appear. Then select your sponsored account, scroll, and then you're going to see the option of this save and send test request. So click on this save and send test request. Now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, open your ad you're running. So as you can see that this is the ad which I'm running on LinkedIn and I have attached this lead form right over here. Now whenever any lead is interested and clicks on this apply now, this lead form will appear. Further, the lead can fill in this lead form. But you must be wondering that we're not getting the option to fill in the first name, last name and company name. Only option to getting filled is this email address and the phone number, because my campaign is in draft mode and that's the reason that I'm not getting the option to fill in these details. But we're going to get the option to fill in this email address and the phone number, so let's fill in these details only. After filling in these details, I'm going to click on this button which says submit and submit this form. Now you can see that I've successfully submitted this form and it is saying information sent to Pabbly. So let's open our workflow, but now still it is saying waiting for webhook response. So we have to wait for a few seconds till it is capturing this webhook response, which is the details of our test lead. So right now I generated a test lead right over here because I'm going to create this automation using the test lead details only. But if you wish to create this automation using the live lead details, what you can do is you can wait until you receive a real lead. Automatically, whenever you're going to receive a real lead, the webhook response will be captured right over here. But I'll suggest you create this automation using the test lead details only. It will save you a lot of time and further it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. So we are going to capture the test lead details right over here and we're going to add the lead details right over here in our Google Sheets and build a lead tracking sheet. And in order to collect my leads, I use LinkedIn. You can use any another application too, like Instagram lead ads, Facebook lead ads or Google ads. If you wish a video dedicated towards any another application, you can request it in the comment section below. My team will make sure that we fulfill your request. This video is going to focus on how to connect LinkedIn ads with Google Sheets because I'm collecting the lead details using LinkedIn right over here. Now you can see we have received this webhook response and over here we have received the details which were the lead details, which were the same details which we entered during the test submission. Alright, so now let's add these details in our Google Sheets. For that we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application we have to search for Google Sheets. Now we have to select it. For the event we have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection. Now over here you're going to see that Pabbly is going to ask me for some permissions. So scroll and click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now you have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet in which you want to add the lead details, and then one by one add the lead details right over here. But we are not going to enter the lead details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we will map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see, I've successfully mapped all the details. Now we're going to click on this save and send test request. Once we click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have added the details in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets, and you can see the details have been added, be it the first name, the last name, the email, the phone, or the company name. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from this platform, automatically this lead tracking sheet will be updated. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions, you can ask those in the comment section below. For your reference, I'll add the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check this out and create this amazing automation for your own business too. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.